Welcome guys to another video, and this video is a chugging video. You can tell by the title. So I know my latest upload was a chugging video. I'm about to do another chugging video. Well, I'm doing this for the main fact of today. After today, I'm not gonna be uploading for a few days, and I'm gonna spread out my schedule. I just wanted to upload the first 2 days of March, and then the rest is whatever. But yeah, it is March, guys. I know my last video, I said I was gonna upload that in March. Well, I pre-recorded that like a week before, but this is March, so it's finally March. Yes, my break is happening. Trying to. Okay, maybe that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Hold on a second. I might have to bend down, maybe. I don't know what it looks like, but it's not air. And this is a chugging video, trying to chug blank without burping. Today, I'm finally doing Sprite. I've been wanting to do Sprite forever. I don't know if this camera can see, but it's extremely cold. It's sweating now because it's out. So this chug is going to be pretty hard. I actually have 2 more chugs lined up. But yeah, like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend. It helps me a lot. And I'm gonna get into this chug. I don't know if you heard that, but that's such a satisfying noise. Okay. So this Sprite, I've actually been wanting to do Sprite forever, and for some reason I never did it. So we're gonna get into it. Hopefully, I don't throw up like I did the. I don't even remember which one it was, but I know it was not fun. It was not fun at all. Let's get into it. Also, yes, I'm stalling a little bit. That's really cool. But if I do sound a little weird, it's because I'm having allergies, and I'm a little stuffy. But yeah. Let's get back into chug. Oh, am I getting a brain freeze? Oh. Chugging this is a bad idea. It's making my stomach hurt a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Come on. Gotta do this. I feel a burp coming on already. Sprite's not meant to be chugged, especially at this temperature. Oh, the burp. I'm about to burp. I'm seriously about to burp, and I haven't even finished the drink. Come on, bro. I probably look like a insane person at a mental institute, a mental asylum. It's so fizzy. Mm-mm. This might not have no caffeine, but this has lots of carbonation. This is as bad as Dr. Pepper, man. I just burped. I just burped. I just burped again. Hold on. Hold on, let's just... Wrong jar. Actually, let's not get a wooden one. Let's get the more powerful and really dangerous metal hammer.